does seem a lot of sugar, but you know what? It's Christmas, yeah? A little extra glass of wine and a little bit more sugar. That's what you need to celebrate Christmas. Baked Alaska, it's a traditional dish that we serve in the centre of the table. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some beautiful ice cream. I'm going to mix that with some really sort of festive flavours with a little bit of basil as well, some glacé cherries and some mincemeat. And we're going to do that on top of a really nice piece of sponge. I'm going to cover it with a beautiful glossy, shiny meringue, and then we're going to set it on fire so you can smell the rum and all those sweet sugar flavours. So this recipe is really easy. It's just about getting your things in line, ready for the big day. You can have the ice cream set ready for Christmas, you can have your sponge made, cut, ready, and your fruit just ready on the side. It's all about that fire, isn't it? That bit of showmanship as you're sort of doing it, and also having a nice glass of wine while you're cooking it down. Just cook that down. It's just taking all of the sort of heat out of the alcohol. So what we've got the sweetness of the meringue, but also we've got the creaminess of the ice cream, but then we've got the alcohol, the rum that cuts through it as well. We've got the sweetness of the mincemeat, which go perfectly with the Calvé Celebration Rosé. The sparkles, the sweetness, but that little bit of complexity, it makes it a real celebration. But also another variety of Calvé is the Crémeux Bordeaux, which is a fantastic wine. It has the essence of a celebration, just like the Rosé, but it's got a little bit more complexity to it. For me, the Baked Alaska is very sweet. It's very childish. It's got this really sort of feel of nostalgia as you tuck into it. It reminds you, zips you back to all those years as a young child, yearning for those beautiful sweets. And the ice cream as well, it's a fantastic treat. And the even bigger treat is you get to drink some fantastic Calvé to go with it.